Oromia and the Oromo people #culture_1 Oromo have a very rich culture, fostered by the size of the population and large land areas with diverse climatic conditions. One highly developed self-sufficient system which has influenced every aspect of Oromo life is the Gada system. It is a system that organizes the Oromo society into groups or sets, about 7 to 11, that assume different responsibilities in the society every 8 years. It has guided the religious, social, political, and economic life of Oromo for many years, and also their philosophy, art, history, and method of timekeeping. The activities and life of each and every member of the society are guided by Gada. It is the law of the society, a system by which Oromo administer, defend their territory and rights, maintain and guard their economy, and through which all their aspirations are fulfilled. The Gada system has served as the basis of democratic and egalitarian political system. Under it, the power to administer the affairs of the nation and the power to make laws belong to the people. Every male member of the society who is of age and of Gada grade has full rights to elect and to be elected. All the people have the right to air their views in any public gathering without fear. There follows a brief description of how the Gada system works. There are two well-defined ways of classifying male members of the society, that is the Hiraya, members of an age set all born within the period of one Gada rule of 8 years, and Gada grade. The Gada grades, stages of development through which a Gada class passes, differ in number, 7 to 11, and name in different parts of Oromia, although the functions are the same. The following are the Gada grades: 1. Davali, 0 to 8 years of age, 2. Fal or Gamatitikat, 8 to 16 years of age, 3. Kandala or Gamagurgyudat, 16 to 24 years of age, 4. Kisa, 24 to 32 years of age, 5. Rabadoriai, 32 to 40 years of age, 6. Gada, 40 to 48 years of age, 7. Yubai, 48 to 56 years of age, 8. Yuba 2, 56 to 64 years of age, 9. Yuba 3, 64 to 72 years of age, 10. Gadamajajai, 72 to 80 years of age, 11. Jarsa, 80 and above years of age, excerpted from Oromia, an introduction, by Gadam Elbak, Khartoum, Sudan 1988. #to_be_continued